everyone, I'm Amrita. I'm a physiotherapist practicing in Dubai. I've always been behind the camera taking photos and videos of my patients exercising. But now I've decided to come in front of the camera. So I've decided to do a mini series on injury prevention, strengthening and maintenance of different joints with my best friend, Nargis.
Hi everyone, I'm Nargis and I'm a physiotherapist with almost 11 years of experience. I'm essentially a pediatric physiotherapist, whereas Amrita here is a highly skilled musculoskeletal physiotherapist. In my line of work, when I'm working with the kids, I need to bend down quite a bit, go into different positions, and that's why I need to keep my core really strong. So I work out a lot. So that's why we decided to do this mini series so that we know whether we are doing the correct exercises or no, or whether we're going into wrong postures. So we thought let's clear some of the basic concepts.
Yes, so let's start with the basics. Do you see yourself sitting in this posture in your office? And sometimes like this? Most of us are aware of good posture, but still we tend to go into bad postures because that feels comfortable at that moment of time. So let's correct this. So I would ask Nargis to sit straight, come right at the back of the chair and see to it that your back is touching with the back of the chair. There's no space in between. Okay, you go close to your workstation. See to it that your elbow is somehow 90-degree bent. So here, this chair is a little low. So we'll increase the height of this chair. So now you see her elbow is at 90-degree angle. Her wrist is in neutral. Her back is correctly resting. Her feet is planted and on the floor. This is a good posture. See to it that also your laptop is at eye level. So now this is not really at eye level, so we could elevate a little bit by keeping some stack of books or maybe a box so that the screen is right in front of your eyes. Okay? In order to prevent injuries, aches and pains, I'm going to show you some workplace stretches and mobility drills which you can easily do at your workstation. So let's do the forward flexion stretch. So stretch your arms and crawl on the desk so that you feel a stretch here in these muscles. Do you feel the stretch, Nargis?
Yes.
Hold it for a few seconds and then relax. And you can repeat it 2 to 3 times. The second one is come at the edge of the chair, put your heel on the floor and try to touch your toes. So you feel a stretch at your hamstrings, the back of your leg. Again, hold it for 8 to 10 seconds and relax. Repeat it 2 to 3 times. Third one is a latissimus dorsi stretch. So put one hand up, just stretch sideways, bend sideways, and you feel a stretch here. Do you feel it?
Yes.
Hold it for a few seconds and repeat on both sides. You can do it 2 to 3 times each side. Then let's do some trunk rotations. You can do it either seated or standing. Repeat it 8 to 10 times each side. Try to do these stretches twice during your working hours.
So I attend a lot of webinars, and sitting in one position is what causes the aches and pains at the end of the day. Doing these stretches and exercises just once is making me feel so much better. So I'm sure if we do it at least twice to thrice during our working hours, it will help to keep our joints and muscles much more flexible.
Definitely. Now we'll show you some mat exercises which are easy to do and they are very safe. You can do them at home or you can do them in the gym before you do your strengthening exercises. First exercise is straight leg raise, where you bend one leg and straighten the other leg. Raise it up at around 70 to 80 degrees and hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and rest. Repeat the same side 5 to 10 times and then go on to the other side. Next exercise is bridging. Lie down on your back, bend both your knees and lift your hips up. Hold it for a few seconds, 8 to 10 seconds. And relax. Repeat it 8 to 10 times. The next exercise is trunk rotation. So you lie down flat on your back, keep your hands on your side at 90 degree, bend your knees and rotate your lower body from one side to the other. This is a mobility drill, so you don't need to really hold it. Just repeat from one side to the other. 8 to 10 repetitions. Now let's do the cat camel stretch. Get down on your hands and your knees. Place your knees directly below your hip and your palm below your shoulder. Keep your back flat. Now sway your back down. Rest your stomach towards the floor and tilt your neck back. Feel the stretch and then round your back up towards the ceiling or the sky and allow your head to drop down. Feel the stretch and repeat this exercise 8 to 10 times. The last exercise is the Superman exercise. Start by laying flat on your stomach, arms extended in front of you. Lift your arms and legs together and hold it for 2 to 5 seconds and repeat 8 to 10 times. It's a great exercise to strengthen your upper back, lower back and your glutes. Now we'll show you some exercises that you can do in the gym for strengthening your back muscles. One of them is rowing. See to it that you are in a good posture. Your feet are supported, your back is straight and you tighten your core. And as you pull it back, you see that your shoulder blades squeeze together. I guess can you show them what is it to do it in a wrong posture? Yeah, you tend to do this. And this will do more harm than better for your body. So yeah, this is the right way of doing it. So here's another way of doing the rows without the machine. You can do it with the dumbbells. Keep your back straight, soft bend at the knee and tighten your core. Great. Let's move on to the next exercise, which is deadlifts.
So here, as you bend down, engage your core. Keep your back straight. Try to keep your legs as straight as possible because this is a stiff deadlift. And then push through your feet, engage your core and come up again.
So Nargis, how do you feel after this session?
I feel so much lighter. I've been during this entire lockdown period and even now I've been attending so many webinars, sitting in one place. I've ended up with an upper back ache most of the time and especially between my scapula. But after doing these stretches, the mobility drills, it feels so much better right now.
So this is what it takes. Just a little time and minimal equipment.
Exactly.
I think everybody can do this.
Everybody can do it anytime, but it's about a little bit of priority, giving time to ourselves.
Which is so important.
Exactly. So I think we should come up with some more series.
Yeah. So some more videos on shoulder, hip, knee, neck, ankle.
I think that would be great for the people who are watching us.
Yeah, that's good.
Let's do it.